Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Wednesday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're happy to have everyone with us. Big day yesterday was the GRI conference, and a lot of interesting discussions on investment, on interest rates, on funding projects, and it looks like it's going to get a little rougher and a little bit more expensive to fund these projects, but the good ones and the good developers seem to be pushing forward. So that's always good news. Today is a full day. Good that we're in here so early. Today is a full day at the conference, so we'll get a little bit more on the retail, on the logistics, hotel as well. Nice conference, a panel coming up on that, and just general investment and development. So it'll be a lot of interesting things. We handed out a lot of magazines and a lot of our Coffee with Craig cups there. So it was a bit of fun.
Good crowd down there, yeah?
Good crowd, about 70 people, 70 plus, so very nice. We also got a lot of things going on with the investment awards. Quite a few new investors are joining us on the jury, which we'll talk a little bit about, and then a few more on the CRE Awards in Hungary. So a lot of interesting things we'll probably talk about towards the end of the week or beginning of next week. We'll take a little 30-second break. We'll come back with Winston Norman and the highlights in the news on EuropaProperty.com. We'll also be in Hungary at the end of the month at the Hotco Hotel Conference, which we're also media partners of. So if you're in Hungary or we'll be meeting there, we'd definitely like to meet up with you in Budapest. I'll be there for the whole week, starting at the end of the month and beginning of June. So a lot of fun there. We always love to see our friends and clients there. So we'll take a little break. We'll be right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, and the highlights of the EuropaProperty.com news. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, CREAwards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back, Winston. Great to see you again. Day 3.
Day 3, still going.
It's nice to be back in Warsaw. The weather just keeps getting better and better every day.
See if I can give you some good news.
Give us some news, and hopefully some will be good. Yes.
Yeah, we'll start today from in the Czech Republic, where Savills have announced their Q1 report on the investment market, and according to their latest research, there was around 900 million euros worth of investments traded in the Czech Republic for the first quarter, and mirroring Poland, I guess, the office sector was the most predominant, and it showed a strong rebound in Q1 2022 from the previous quarter. And the second was the retail market, which is also showing a bit of a revival. So again, that is very similar to Poland.
Yeah, well, Czech has a lot of tourists as well. That probably helps.
Yeah, I mean, there's been some big office developments that have been sold, and some interesting retail parks. Some big retail park sales
have been sold.
Yeah, a lot of them, and also there's been a drop in the industrial market.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, again, the volume just isn't the volume at the moment. So the investors with money have gone looking to the other sectors. And according to Savills, prime yields remained unchanged in all sectors. Prime office, industrial, and residential yields stay at 4%. And the best performing shopping centres in Prague are estimated at 5.75%. And according to Fraser Watson, he's the investment director at Savills in the Czech Republic and Slovakia. He says, despite the ongoing hostilities in Ukraine, the Czech Republic continues to be an investable proposition, and those familiar with the market primarily domestic and existing regional investors, are expected to continue the transactional activity.
Oh, great. Okay, so it sounds like a very bright future and bright past of the last quarter.
Well, it seems that the market is rebounding and nothing spectacular, but it bodes well.
Yeah, I was in Ostrava over the weekend, and they had the GLP building done, the warehouse, and quite a lot more on the horizon for all the developers down there.
Yeah, there's a lot more industrial on the way, I think. Staying in the industrial market and moving to Romania, and Cargus, the courier company, has appointed a new CEO. This is Olivier Van Hout, and he's got over 20 years' experience in leadership positions in international companies throughout Europe and the USA. And he is taking over the role from Jaroslav Šliva.
Oh, okay.
Coming back to Poland, and we have a report from BNP Paribas Real Estate on Poland's regional office market, and they're pointing out that the office market is facing a few challenges, leasing market throughout Poland, and the first quarter was no different, and it is mirroring the Warsaw market.
Okay.
There's some of the challenges that the people are facing in the market is increasing maintenance costs, higher rents, more expensive and longer fit outs, delayed construction processes. However, a boon to the industry with maybe new tenants coming in is the immigration of high-skilled IT specialists.
Right, immigrate from Ukraine.
From Ukraine, from those type of areas which are coming in. Obviously looking for.
Well, I'd imagine Ukraine, Belarus, and actually a lot of the Russian guys probably
Russian
don't want to.
And Belarusian guys.
Yeah. They're all trying to get out, I guess.
And so after the first 3 months of the year, there was around 570,000 square meters of modern space under construction, and around half of that is set to be completed this year. And they also say that the key office stock in the eight key regional cities approached 6.3 million square meters at the end of the first quarter. And the markets grew by around 244,000 square meters, and Katowice remains the leading city with new quarterly supply. It has around 50% of the new supply. So a lot of new development for Katowice.
Great place to open a shared services or an IT hub, yeah?
That's right, And moving on and staying in the office sector and moving to Romania in Bucharest, and Softbinator Technologies. This is a Romanian software development company specializing in design and development of market launching innovative products, has chosen the Opera Center Building 1, part of the CA Immo portfolio. They're going to be leasing 1,000 square meters of workspace located on the fourth floor of the building. And according to Marian Roman, he's the managing director of CA Immo in Romania.
Yeah, we know Marian very well.
Yeah, he says that Opera Center managed to impose itself on the market as an emerging IT and C hub if we look at the portfolio of companies accommodated and expanding in recent years. And some of those tenants that are in the building include NN Lease, GSK Consumer Healthcare, Borgia and Associate, Siemens, DHL Logistics, Druid AI.
Yeah, so a big, impressive list of tenants in there.
Yeah, a lot. It's like CMO say, it's like it's an IT hub.
Yeah. No, I remember when Opera even opened. So
it's not the newest of buildings.
Yeah. It's been a while. Yeah, good. So is that all we have for the
that's
highlights?
All the news for today.
All right. So everyone, thank you again for watching the Coffee with Craig show. We have over 8,000 viewers a week for our daily news and over 15,000 on our interviews. So let us know if you'd like to be part of the Coffee with Craig show. We have some weekly partnerships still available for this year, and a few great weeks still haven't been taken up yet for this year. So enjoy all yourself, stay healthy, stay safe, and we will see you on Thursday morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.